Hi everybody, welcome to Alita Cooks again. I am making shrimp scampi today. I put to melt on low heat about 3 tablespoons of butter, lots of garlic. I probably used the whole bulb because I love garlic, and honestly, shrimp scampi, it's all about garlic and lemon juice. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos so far. I love making them for you. Please be sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you're a subscriber, I thank you so much for your support. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when my new videos come up, because I have lots of recipes for you. Now I am making the lemon. I am squeezing the lemon. Juice of 1 lemon. If you want more, you can add more. I'm going to add the lemon juice to the butter mixture and the garlic. Continue on low heat. You don't want to work with high heat. Everything will just burn and not come out as good. You're always better on low heat, and if you need to add more, then you can. But never start with high heat. So I added the lemon juice to the butter and garlic. And mix it around. Now I am adding 3/4 cups of light cream to the mixture. Some dry parsley. And as you add the light cream, please be sure to stir, as the cream and the lemon will cause a curdling effect. You must stir until the sauce becomes nice and smooth. Stir, stir, stir. You can also incorporate dry cooking wine into this mixture without the cream. So I moved the mixture to a larger pan as I add the shrimp. I used wild caught shrimp, washed, peeled, and deveined. You're going to raise the heat a little bit and allow to cook for a few minutes on each side until the shrimp are nice and pink. You don't want to overcook it. So just a few minutes is all you need. Right now I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for a little bit. Checking back in. I'm gonna stir them around, flipping them to the other side so it could cook evenly. Cover again. Let cook for a few more minutes. And then they are ready to be served over your pasta or rice dishes. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Please come back, hit the notification bell, because I have a lot of stuff coming up. Thank you, and have a great week ahead, everyone.